Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight.
So today we're going to head over into Alston on my beautiful GS 1200. One of the locals just recommended me this little cafe. Looks like it's some sort of railway station. But yeah, looks good. Let's hope the food is. I don't want to look greedy on camera, but look at this. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this. Big motorbike under there. Thank you. That's potentially the best bacon sandwich I've ever had. That is the best bacon sandwich I've had in my life.
Yeah.
Clean toilets. What's this? Look away. Don't face each other. Bit odd. If you're ever up this way, Alston, I'd definitely recommend this little place. Railway Station Cafe, whatever it's called. Honestly, that is the best bacon sandwich I've ever had in my life. Vegetarians, don't judge me. This is what's left of the Hartside Cafe. Not a lot. Yeah, I think the thing got burned down a few years ago, which is a damn shame. The views could be shabbier. And look at these cool cars. What are they? I don't know what they are, but they're cool. I'm not sure if they're going to rebuild another cafe here. Hope they do, because this is one of my favourite spots. So just stopped off coming down from the Hartside Cafe. Could be worse. Could be so much worse.